In this video, we will continue to add some more elements for our building. First, we will create stairs on the level 0 so that we see from the west view. So you can see here, so we have this floor, terrace, and then from the ground beam, so it is 500. So let's say the ground beam level is the the surface, or the surface, the original surface. Then here we need to have stairs here, or steps here, and then we need to do editing for all the column here before we continue. Select the column and then right click, select all instances in entire project. So we select all the columns, so we need to change the base level from level 0 to the level ground beam and apply like that. Okay, so then let me go to the level 0. So then we can also do some modification. So let's say if we don't want to expose this surface with the column that existed column here, so then we can bring it, offset it inside something like this. Let's say, a column here, we can move this one by do like this, change that, done, something like that. So then we will have no exposures of existence of column here. But anyway, in this case, we will expose the column. Then we will create the steps here. Okay, so there are two methods to add the steps here. First, we create a model in place, something like that. So we create model and family inside the current Revit model that we have. So another one, we add floor, and then floor slab edge, like that. So okay, we will add the slab edge here, but before that, when we do the slab edge here, for slab edge, we require the the profile, something like this. It has a different profile. So if we still don't have the profile that we want to use, so then we have to create the profile, something like that. So then here, how to create the profile? So we go to file and then new, family, then use the metric profile. Select the metric profile, and then metric profile better we use the metric profile here, RFT metric profile. This one for the stenosing. We will use this one. Let's see here. Okay, anyway, we can use this one and then open. Okay, so then we create the shape line here. Okay, let's say from here down here is about 500, so 500, and then here we go for another 500, and then so 500 divided by 3 steps is about 170. So let me have 170 here, and then here we want to have better 220 centimeter, and then in this one another 170, and then 200 here, and up here is 160, and then it close. Then here what we need to do is to save it. save. We can family 4, maybe we can add step profile, step profile, and then save. Then after that, next step is to press the load into project and close. So we close the family. Then after that, we in the level 0 here. Go to architecture, floor, and then floor slab edge, and then we select this edge. Oops, sorry. Let me see. Oh, sorry. We have to select first this one. Edit type, and then we name it. Duplicate it. Steps. Okay, and then from here we select the, let me see, step profile. We have here steps profile. Material we can change here. Materials, let's say the material is same as material, maybe the tiles, as previously we have tiles, tile. Previously we have tile for 50, here ceramic tile, and okay, and then okay. So we select this edge. I can see there, select each edge, and then we select another edge here, this edge. So create the escape, and let me see in 3D. So we have the 3D steps that we only the change, I mean the things that we do not have the better, what call it, arrangement of this. So either we can change to another materials. Let's say just simply cement renders. So okay, I think this is good as well. Let me see here, edit type here, and then rather than that one, maybe we can change to what call it, plaster or script like this, but need to change the color here to fit with the main step, and then duplicate it, to change the color to cement script steps. First step, so change the color here to another okay, then like that. Okay, so next we will have what call it, deck here, concrete deck as an awning. So then we need to go to level 2 here. In level 2 actually we have some, what call it, roof here, and height from element. So then actually it's like this. Okay, so then so by having this, the roof here, so then we cannot access the edge of the wall. So then what we need to do, click the roof, right click and hide in view and element, so it will be hidden. And then to switch it on, so press this button down here, close reveal hidden element, or switch on and switch off, and then click, right click, and then after that unhide element, so it will appear on your screen. So okay, we hide it, hide in view element, so then we can access the what call it, the wall. Okay, then I will create floor architectural here, and then use the rectangular creation tools here. So from this layer, I think this one is supposed to be, anyway, later we can edit it. That, and then make it bigger. Anyway, later we can change. Change the size. Anyway, we edit this. So it will be inside here. Save it. Or maybe we use the realistic so we can see. Oh, cannot see as well. So better we use the head here. Okay, then here the layers of floor here, a wall here. Today, I'm not pretty sure is this one. Okay, maybe let me make it there. Then we measure from here. Oh, sorry. From here to 73. So we can still move here up. Okay, do it like this. So 1260. Then after that, we simply select this one, floor upper concrete here, and then if you want to change the duplicate it first, floor and deck, concrete deck, 100. Okay. And then edit here. We don't want this. Delete, and maybe we can change it to maintain the same one. 100 sufficient. Okay, then press OK, and then this one OK, do not attach. Okay, so then like this. So we need to change the what you call it, this one, height lower to -600 and apply. So let me see. Before we continue, we release the hidden roof. Right click and hide in element, and then switch on. Let me see on the 3D. So we have this. We need to change a little bit, make it extend outside as well, here as well. So then let me return back to level 2, and then let me hide this element, double click it, so boundary line appear, and then make it a distance of 200 extend from this edge, or you can make it further 300 like that, from the edge of the wall here, 300. Then okay, and then we press OK, and then don't attach. Here is the roof, right click and hide element, and then press this button. So then we have it. Okay. So in 3D we have this. Then after that we add some profile here. So how to create the profile here? So we go to architecture, floor, and then same as the steps down there, floor edge. So before we create the floor edge, we create new profile, new family, and then select from here the metric profile and metric profile. This one, profile, metric profile. Like that. So I want to create a model like this. From here 400, and then 70. After that height is about 100. Then we go to here, and then to the middle 50, and then to close this one. So we have this shape, and then we save it. Profile one top, like that. Save. I already have it previously. Yes. Okay, then after that load into project and close. Okay, so bring it back to level 2. Let me see in 3D better. Then we can rotate here, rotate it, rotate based on the column. Select the column, and after that rotate. Rotate the view. Then go to floor, floor slab edge. Then we select this one, and it's standard, not standard step. We duplicate it to deck top, decking top, or top deck. Anyway, any name you can give it, and then change the profile to profile one top. Okay. Then after that select the line. Before that we need to split this one first. If not, it will go beyond the wall here. So anyway, we start from here first, then here, then after that we need to modify a little bit that edge. Okay, then escape to release, and then after that later we save it, and then back to level 2. Then anyway, the roof here, appearing here, height, view, and element. I want to access this one, the boundary. Double click, so then the boundary will appear. So you need to split it, split using this split element, and split at this line where it ends. Then there, and then split on the column surface. Oops. Done. Okay, split it. Don't attach. And then you already have it. Make it 3D. Then after that, select the column to rotate. And after that, go to architecture, floor, select edge, select the deck top. Yes, already there. And then place it here. And then after that, you have the side here, and then okay. Then after that, we have add a profile for bottom of the deck. If I click file, new, family. Then after that, select the metric profile. What is this? Stylus profile here, and open. Then we create make sure this one the point where the line the deck edge or the floor edge will be attached. Go here, and then after that I go down for 500, and then wait, 30, and then 100, then 20, and bring up. Okay, and close, and then we save as profile. Oops, sorry. Profile bottom. So yes, because I previously already have it. Then load into the drawing. So then after that we go to the 3D model, button, and then select this one. Then after that we go to architecture, floor, select edge, select the we need to duplicate it, edit type, and then duplicate it, the bottom, you can name anything. Then after that bottom, okay, and then we select this line. So then you can see the effect that you have a shading. Escape. So we have deck here, right? So when you switch on the shadow, so you can see the effect of shading the building. Here, select this one, and this one is set as sun path. Okay, then. So we have this one, the deck, the edge footing to have this one, what call it, the profile, and the steps. And then we will add one more element. This is the ceiling. So we go to level 0, and then you go to architectural tab. You can have here ceiling. Okay, ceiling, there are many ceiling, 670 degree, 620 degree, or plane. So let me use this one, 600 or plane. This one here, and also use this one. And then you can see here, this one, there's a sketch or automatic ceiling detection. So then you can see highlighted. So just click this one. None of the created elements are visible. This is because of the range of view not cover the what call it, this one. So then it is okay, no problem, it's just warning. And then we can see it in the section view here. I can see here we have the ceiling, so we can still edit because the ceiling height here 3,000 and 3,100. From where? Oh, from down here. So let me see. It's actually 2,600 from the floor. So if you want to make it higher, so you can change it here. Let's say 3,000 because it's a first floor. 4,000. So make it higher, and then after that we go to level 0 to another floor here. Ceiling, automatic detect here. That's done. Let's press close this one, and then another here, and then here. Problem. So then here. Okay, so then let me go to level 1. So same goes to here. We select automatically ceiling, and then so let me check in using the section So we have here. So then you can still edit this one, bring it up. Because it is only 2600. Okay, then let me have a cut view here, or not cut view, I mean bring it here, so then crossing the windows, we have a better presentation of section. See there, we have it. Oh, we still don't have this one. Okay, anyway, so you can change it a bit later on, because this one 3 meter here, lowered for the toilet, and then this one 1600, or if you want to make it 3000 as well, you can make it 3000. Okay, like that. Then this room left, level 1, so go to ceiling, detect this one. Okay, so let me see another section view, so then we have here, so let's make it 3000 as well. 3000, oh sorry, 3000, done. So we have the ceiling. So let me go to this floor, and then after that we check using the camera this direction, that one. So you can see the ceiling is there. Nice, very nice. So then if you want to see the what do you call it, presentation, better presentation, so you make it fine detail, and then graphic here, you can storage, move line, and then shadow if you want to give some a better view, something like this. Then after that you can do rendering. Go to view and then render. Let me render it, make it sun only, then sun and artificial. Okay, we still don't have artificial lamp. Later we will place it. Exterior, interior, sun, and sun only. And then cloud here, draw region, or maybe in the region. Where is the render button? Supposed to be here. So interior. Okay, anyway. Can make it that region. Oh, it's not displaying. Render this button. Sorry. Screen, vision, media, this is interior, sun only, then we will render. Oh, because we select area, region only, so then better we stop it. Yes, I can see that. Not region, I want to see this one. Screen, scan, or cloud, or maybe view cloud, and then render. So we can see the rendering result for this one. So for the rendering process, required what do you call it, a good computer GPU. So you can see here because we set the reflection of the pane, interior plane, I mean the interior pane to quite reflective, very high reflective, so you can see the effect. Okay, so if you add some more lamp here, so that it will be better presentation. Okay, that's all for now. So then in the next video we will add some more details, especially on the front here, and then some side element to be added here to finish, and then one more important thing is the railing and then also staircases inside. So currently we have this one, then you can view here in what call it, perspective view. Sorry, this is perspective view, more realistic. Then can also change, return it back to orthographic, so it's not so nice. Perspective is better, but it will computational time here is quite tough. I cancel, I press something. Okay, then we will end here for this video. Thank you.